If being healthier is on your agenda for this year, listen up. New study came out that shows 80,000 chemicals is what your lungs breathe in every day. That's not normal. If you smoke and vape, that's even worse. Your lungs aren't meant for that type of wear and tear. All that bad chemicals and mucus is stuck in your lungs. Your body can't get rid of it. Ever since my mom put me onto lung droplets, though, my life has been crazy. It feels like I could run a full marathon. I'm not even kidding. And it's really easy to take. All you gotta do is drop this like 2 or 3 times in some water. You can't even taste it. You could probably take it straight up if you wanted to. TikTok's running a sale right now. Pick it up before they run out of stock. These things are selling like hotcakes.